One of the things that the African American culture has brought to America was soul music. And this came from African rhythms from all different parts of the world. And one of the things that kind of melded was gospel. So this is a song that's near and dear to my heart called We Shall Overcome. And I hope you enjoy it. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. I still believe we shall overcome someday. We shall live in peace. We shall live in peace. We shall live in peace someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I still believe we shall overcome someday. We shall all be free. We shall all be free. We shall all be free someday. Deep in my heart, I'll still believe we shall overcome someday. Someday we shall overcome. Someday we shall